Sugar, salt, rice, white flour, and milk. These are the five ingredients which are intertwined with our lives. Even in the wildest dream, it is impossible to think without these five ingredients. But do you think these five ingredients are safe to use? Let us discuss. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Natural Cosmos. We use sugar, salt, rice, white flour, and milk in our daily food because they are the taste busters. Whether it's a beverage, breakfast, lunch, snack, or a dinner, we use all these five ingredients in any one or the other. But the truth is that these five ingredients are responsible for the dangerous disorders or diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, obesity, hormonal problems both in men and women, and so on. That is why these are called as five white poisons. Let us see one by one why these are so dangerous. Whether it is coffee, tea, or cool drink, sugar is the most important ingredient. But sugar is prepared by undergoing several chemical processes of sugarcane. It is further refined using sulfur dioxide, phosphoric acid, and active carbon. So it loses all the important nutrients available in the sugarcane. Furthermore, it involves in the process of refining sucrose, which eliminates vitamins, minerals, proteins, and other enzymes. So the final product is an unnatural concentrate and sweetener, which is not useful for human body. Also, it contains a substance called beta endorphins, which increases the craving for the sugar. With all these problems, it is highly recommended that sugar should be eliminated. So what are the alternatives for sugar? One can consume sugarcane jaggery in place of sugar, which is better than sugar actually. But this is also refined and is processed nowadays. So it also doesn't provide all the health benefits to the human body. Consuming palm jaggery is better than sugarcane jaggery or sugar. However, consuming honey or dates concentrate or dry date powder is the best. Please watch the video on benefits of dates for more information. I am leaving it in the cards above. Salt is considered as the another white poison. The main disadvantage of salt is that it retains water in the human body. This is especially with iodized salt. It retains about 100 grams of water for every 5 milligrams of salt consumed. Hence, it produces dangerous diseases like hypertension, heart diseases, kidney dysfunction, diabetes, etc. Actually, 280 milligrams of salt per day is required for the human body. It can be easily attained by consuming vegetables or leafy vegetables. One can consume amaranth leaves as it contains high content of sodium in it. So, external salt is required only for taste in the dishes. Apart from that, other varieties of salt like Ajinomoto, sodium bicarbonate, and sodium benzoate are also being used. These are also used for taste and they also act as preservatives. So with all these problems of the salt, it is highly recommended that salt should be discontinued or eliminated. Because one should not fall prey for dangerous diseases by using salt. If not completely eliminated, one can use rock salt in place of iodized salt, which is a better option. However, rock salt is better than any other form. Rice is the main course of food consumed by most of the people, especially in South India. But rice is considered as another white poison because it affects human body. Actually, rice contains vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients available in it. But the main disadvantage of rice is that it gets polished due to various reasons. These reasons include storage purposes, its appearance, and for digestion, etc. As rice gets polished, all the vitamins, minerals and nutrients gets vanished. Not only that, it also gets polished for the second time as well. By doing so, even if there are any nutrients available in the rice, those also will got lost. So finally it only remains with carbohydrates. So these carbohydrates produce sugar, and this sugar can be easily entered into the human body and into the blood, causing various problems like obesity and diabetes, etc. So with all these problems, it is strongly recommended that one should completely avoid rice. Alternatively, they can consume millets and brown rice. White flour, which is also called as maida, is widely used in wide variety of foods including breakfast, snacks, sweets and cakes, etc. But this is also considered as a white poison because it is not a flour at all in the first place itself. This white flour is a byproduct of the wheat flour after undergoing several refinements and chemical processes. These processes include polishing the wheat grains to lose its brown covering and bleaching the flour with chemicals like benzyl peroxide and alexan. This white flour also acts as an adhesive. I do remember that this maida is being used for pamphlets and wall posters. If that is the case, then think about our intestines, the situation of our intestines after eating this dangerous food. So it is strongly advisable that one should avoid this dangerous food. Right from children to old age, consuming milk is most common everywhere. But milk is also treated as a white poison. Actually, milk is of two types, A1 milk and A2 milk. A1 milk is the milk produced by Jersey or Holstein cows, and A2 milk is the milk produced by Desi or local cows. Consuming A1 milk is dangerous because it produces lactose intolerance. This lactose intolerance causes several problems like vomiting, nausea, motions, bloating and other gaseous problems. Even in the worst case, it produces irritable bowel syndrome and autism in children. But unfortunately, we will drink only A1 milk. Apart from that, milk is being pasteurized for storing over a long period of time. Putting a step forward, milk producing organizations, they are producing ultra pasteurized milk where they can store it in paper containers over months. This causes hormonal problems both men and women, which includes hair fall, increase in breast size for men, decrease in sperm count, early menarche and menopause in women. With all these problems specified, it is not advisable to consume milk unless otherwise if one consume pure A2 milk. Please watch the video, Is Milk Good or Bad, for more information on milk. I am leaving it in the cards above. The bottom line is that with all the dangerous issues specified, one can avoid the 5 white poisons, that is sugar, salt, rice, white flour and milk. One can reduce the usage of these 5 white poisons and they can eliminate them completely so that they can enjoy a healthy life. For more information on the topic, please refer the website naturocosmos.com. I am leaving the URL in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe the channel so that it boosts interest for me to research more on the topics. Also, click on the bell icon so that you can get immediate notifications on my video uploads. Don't forget to share your comments, thoughts, perspectives in the comment section below. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiran signing off. Until we meet in next video.